What we're going to talk about in this video is a new product called Evolence. It's pronounced Evolence, E-V-O-L-E-N-C-E. It is a new injectable filler that is made of porcine product, and porcine meaning pig product, from Israel. What's very interesting is that it is actually, it's not a kosher pig, but which obviously makes no sense, but it is a pig that has been slaughtered by using kosher or rabbinical techniques. I think it's a good product. It's a product that I'm not really interested in using, and for my patient base, the reason I'm not going to use it is several-fold. I'm going to talk to you about sort of the scorecard. I always try to be balanced when I introduce a new product out there so that you can see where the benefits are and where maybe some of the drawbacks are and where some of the gray zones are going to be. In terms of the positives is that because it's a collagen-based product, it doesn't have some of the swelling that can occur and is associated with a hyaluronic acid-based product. A hyaluronic acid-based product includes Restylane, Perlane, Juvederm. Now, I usually use hyaluronic acid-based products in areas that even a little swelling is not going to be bad. The areas where hyaluronic acid-based products can swell more are in the lips, and I don't really use a lot of HA products or hyaluronic acid-based products there. So one of the touted benefits of Evolence is that there can be a little less swelling in the first 2 days following an injection compared to an HA product. The other benefit reportedly of Evolence is that it can last longer. Now, longer is a very relative term. What they're showing is about 6 months to 1 year, which in my opinion is actually even shy of some of the longer acting HAs like Perlane, which in my hands, which I've seen for volume areas, not lips or other areas that are highly mobile, but static zones like here and here can last upwards beyond a year to 1.5 years. My staff has had it, and they've had it, a very nice aesthetic result even past a year. The downside of Evolence is I've heard a few negative comments about the ability to inject the product smoothly. I think one of the major detriments of using Evolence is the fact that you really can't correct it after a day. Whereas with HA products, a nice thing is you can actually dissolve out the product. You can, and that's a big safety factor that I really like in HA products. The other thing that I really like is you know, if you're humane about animals, I think obviously that's one issue. I try not to use animal products if I can absolutely avoid it. But the main thing about injecting animal products is I just don't like using animal products. It is an animal product. I don't think there may be any kind of major risk with it, but in terms of allergic reactions, it's possible. I don't think it's clear exactly what the reactions are. Even Restylane, I've had 2 incidences of an allergic reaction with Restylane, and in those cases, it wasn't the Restylane, it was actually a carrier product. I was actually able to dissolve the Restylane and mitigate or eliminate actually the problem with an allergy. But with Evolence, you don't have that luxury, and when you're dealing with an animal product, I think there's going to be a little bit more of a risk factor. Now, how much risk factor, it's not clear. Again, I'm not here to badmouth or say Evolence is a bad product. I just want to create an equal scorecard, and I think the doctors that enjoy using it or like to use it are good doctors. I just don't feel in my hands it's something I would like to incorporate, not at least at this time in my practice. So hopefully that was a nice description of Evolence, and if you're interested in using it and you find a doctor that's more interested than I am using it, that's fine. But those are the reasons why I don't see it happening in my practice anytime in the short future. Thank you.